Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, November 15th, our word of the day is cash. C-A-C-H-E. Cash. Cash is a 5-letter word and a noun. Remember, a noun refers to a thing, a person, an animal, a place, a quality, an idea, or an action. Cash is a secret or hidden store of things, or the place where they are kept. Similar words include hideout, hoard, nest egg, stash, stockpile, storehouse, kitty, reserve, store, supplies, treasury. Examples of sentences using cash are: in case of an emergency, I have a small cache of money and weapons hidden in the shed. Last year, a cache of Second World War shells was unearthed on the site of what had previously been a scrapyard. A huge arms cache was discovered by police. The cache consisted of documents and private letters. The first cache of photos landed online in late August, and celebs Jennifer Lawrence and Kate Upton were targeted. Authorities believe the robber was after a hidden cache of $2,500 kept in a box under the counter. Make sure to save this new word, cash, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.